Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Power off or use airplane mode, then set the phone on a soft, flat surface to avoid scratches. First, warm the MagSafe PopSockets adhesive with a hair dryer on low for about 20 to 30 seconds. This softens glue so it releases more predictably. Once done, position your fingers around the pop socket edge, not the phone glass, and prepare to peel slowly. Make sure to keep steady, even pressure to avoid bending or snapping the mount. You'll peel slowly, using deliberate motion. Grip the pop socket base near the adhesive and pull at a low angle, about 10 to 20 degrees, to reduce stress on the mount and glass. If you feel resistance, stop and reapply heat for 10 to 15 seconds. Repeated gentle heating prevents sudden jerks. If the pad won't budge, slide dental floss or thin fishing line behind the adhesive and use a gentle sawing motion. Make sure to keep tension, even and control. Once the pop socket is off, you need to remove leftover adhesive. You can apply 70% isopropyl alcohol to a microfiber cloth and rub gently in circular motions until residue lifts. This dissolves glue without harming most coatings. Avoid acetone and harsh solvents because they can strip olefophobic coatings and paint. If you notice a crack or chip while removing the mount, stop immediately and seek professional repair. Minor scratches can be polished, but structural glass.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.